So today I'll be showing you how to charge your Apple Watch SE 3. Now inside the box of your watch, you get this little charging cable. This is precisely designed for charging your Apple Watch. Now it has Type-C on one end, then you have this magnetic charger on the other side. Now what you need to do is find a source of power where you can plug in this Type-C end. And that's going to normally be a Type-C charging brick. So you can get a charging brick like this one or any other charging brick. I like this one because I use it with everything. This one is from Ugreen. I'll link it down below, and I can charge multiple devices with it. So it has a Type-C port, so I can plug in this the Type-C end of this charging cable into that charging brick, and then I can plug it to a wall outlet. And then now all you have to do is place this side of your watch onto this concave side of the charger. Simple as that. It attaches magnetically and starts charging immediately. Now, in case you're outdoors and you don't really have a place, a wall socket or a wall brick to plug this in, you can plug this into a power bank or even your phone. You can actually use your iPhone as the power bank for your Apple Watch. So you can just plug it in, especially if you have one of these newer iPhones with a Type-C port. You plug it into the Type-C port of your phone and it should start charging your Apple Watch. Just there you go. You can see it's charging. So that works as well. And so any place that you can get power, this could be plugged into a laptop, it could be plugged into a TV, as long as it has a Type-C port, anywhere, and you should be able to charge your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching and good luck.